Hey there, culinary newbies. Welcome to the wacky, wonderful world of cooking. Feeling daunted by the kitchen? Fear not, for we've got the secret weapons to transform your cooking from tragic to magic. With these must-have kitchen gadgets, you'll be turning out gourmet meals faster than you can say microwave popcorn. Let's dive in and tickle your funny bone while we're at it. You might be thinking, but I can barely make toast without setting off the smoke alarm. Trust us, we've all been there. You don't need a kitchen that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie to make delicious food. Just a few essential tools and a dash of confidence will have you cooking like a pro, or at least like someone who knows what a spatula is. Picture this. You're about to dazzle your friends with your culinary prowess, but you're wielding a dull knife that couldn't slice butter and a spatula flimsier than a politician's promise. It's like trying to win a car race on a unicycle, but don't worry, kitchen warrior. We're here to arm you with the ultimate tools to make cooking a breeze and impress your taste buds. But I'm not a professional chef. Do I really need all these gadgets? Absolutely not. These tools are for anyone who wants to spend less time wrestling with a can opener and more time enjoying delicious food. Think of them as your trusty sidekicks in the quest for kitchen domination. Now, I know the kitchen can be intimidating, like a haunted house full of vegetables and mysterious gadgets, but fear not, we've got your back. With the right tools, you'll be whipping up gourmet meals in no time. Let's dive into our list of must-have kitchen gadgets to get you started on your delicious culinary journey. Imagine this, you're all set to show off your cooking skills, but you're using a dull knife and a flimsy spatula. It's like trying to play a piano with broken keys or sing with a squeaky microphone. Not only will it make your life harder, but it'll also result in some pretty disappointing meals. Fear not, my culinary companions. We're here to equip you with the essentials you need to cook with confidence and style. So what exactly are these magical tools that will turn you into a kitchen master? Let's take a look. First up, the sharp chef's knife. This bad boy is the backbone of any good kitchen. It's your go-to tool for slicing, dicing, and chopping with precision. No more squashed tomatoes or uneven onion slices. A sharp knife will make your life so much easier. Next, the cutting board. A solid cutting board is as crucial in your kitchen as a knight's shield in battle. Seriously, it's the unsung hero that protects your precious countertops from your mighty chopping onslaughts and keeps your fingers intact as you hone your slicing skills. Picture this, you wielding your knife like a culinary ninja while your cutting board valiantly takes all the hits. Make sure you pick one that's sturdy, easy to clean, and can withstand all your veggie chopping and meat slicing escapades. And for the love of all things delicious, remember you need 2 cutting boards, one for vegetables and one for meats. Mixing them up is a health no-no, unless you're into surprise bacterial parties. Trust us, you're not. Extra bonus points if your cutting board is big enough to double as a dance floor for your next impromptu kitchen boogie session, because why just chop onions when you can also bust a move? Trust me, your countertops will thank you. Now let's talk about the non-stick skillet. The non-stick skillet. A true kitchen marvel and the closest thing we have to culinary wizardry. This pan is like a magic carpet ride for your food, gliding effortlessly without any messy sticking. Imagine flipping pancakes with the grace of a ballerina instead of the splatter of a food fight. Say goodbye to scrubbing like a medieval peasant trying to clean up after a feast. The non-stick skillet is here to save your sanity and your wrists. It's your best friend when it comes to making perfect omelets that don't resemble scrambled eggs gone wrong, or stir-fries that actually stir instead of stubbornly sticking to the pan like an overzealous barnacle. This skillet makes cooking and cleaning so smooth, you'll feel like you've discovered the secret to effortless kitchen sorcery. Need to impress your in-laws with a flawless frittata? The non-stick skillet's got your back. Want to whip up a quick dinner without spending the rest of your evening doing dishes? It's got you covered. And let's not forget the joy of sliding a grilled cheese sandwich straight onto your plate without leaving half of it behind in the pan. Pure culinary bliss. A good quality non-stick skillet is a must-have for all your sautéing and frying needs. No more stuck on food or scrubbing for hours. With a quality non-stick skillet, cleanup is a breeze. And who doesn't love a breezy cleanup? So put on your chef's hat, grab that trusty non-stick skillet and get ready to slide your way to deliciousness. Just remember, even superheroes have their kryptonite, so keep those metal utensils away. This skillet might not come with a cape, but it sure will make you feel like a kitchen superhero. Oh, by the way, you may check out the video description for great quality skillets and utensils at a marvelous discount. Every good cook needs a trusty wooden spoon. Ah, the humble wooden spoon, the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. This versatile utensil is perfect for stirring soups, sauces and stews without leaving your pots and pans looking like they've been through a medieval battle. But wait, there's more. This wonder spoon isn't just for cooking, it's your go-to tool for taste testing like a pro. One quick sip and you're a gourmet chef in the making. And let's not forget its musical potential, perfect for impromptu drum solos that make your kitchen the hottest concert venue in town. Got a culinary disagreement? Wooden spoons are also excellent for the occasional duel. En garde, your kitchen will never be the same again with this trusty sidekick by your side. Plus, it's versatile enough to use for just about anything else you can think of. I mean, you could probably use it to fend off kitchen invaders. Finally, measuring cups and spoons. Accuracy in the kitchen is key unless you enjoy winging it and transforming your cake into a deliciously dense doorstop. Measuring cups and spoons are here to save the day, ensuring you get your quantities just right. No more guessing and hoping for the best, because let's be honest, culinary roulette is a risky game. Imagine telling your guests, "Surprise, today's dessert is either a perfectly moist cake or an unintentional biscuit." With these precision tools, you'll master recipes with the confidence of a seasoned chef, turning every meal into a masterpiece. So ditch the guesswork and embrace the accuracy. Your taste buds and dinner guests will thank you. Now that you're armed with your trusty kitchen tools, it's time to embark on your epic culinary journey. Picture yourself as a fearless kitchen warrior, ready to tackle recipes head-on, spatula in one hand, wooden spoon in the other. You'll slice, dice and sauté your way to gastronomic glory, leaving a trail of deliciousness in your wake. And sure, there might be a few burnt sacrifices to the culinary gods along the way. Hey, even the greatest chefs start with a smoking disaster or two. So don your apron like a suit of armor, crank up your favorite cooking tunes, and let's turn that kitchen into a flavor-filled battlefield, from simple weeknight dinners to gourmet creations that'll have your friends wondering if you secretly hired a chef. You'll be cooking up a storm in no time. Imagine the look on their faces when you casually whip up a souffle like it's no big deal. Culinary mic drop. Remember, every culinary hero's journey begins with a single step. In this case, a single, slightly charred pancake. So grab your apron, channel your inner Julia Child, and let's embark on your culinary adventure. Let the cooking chaos commence. Bon appétit. Oh, cheerful. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more culinary shenanigans. Happy cooking.